Deep in the heart of the beautiful city of Gothenburg, you will find Liseberg, a 100-year-old amusement park that offers over 40 attractions, including 7 roller coasters, a bunch of thrilling flat rides, water rides, and plenty of family-friendly fun. And for a park of its size, Liseberg's coaster collection is not too shabby at all. Helix is perhaps the best known, with this iconic green Mack Rides multi-launch coaster using the park's natural landscape to weave up, down and around the terrain, packing in 7 inversions along the way. Boulder is a rare Intamin prefabricated woody that delivers some decent airtime, and Lisebergbanen is a classic Zera and Schwarzkopf concoction which, like Helix, uses the park's terrain. Liseberg also added a short but sweet family boomerang called Luna for their 100th anniversary. My personal favourite though is Valkyria, a B&M dive coaster which packs a punch for its more compact nature, with the narrower trains allowing for elements to be taken a bit more quickly, but still with the trademark B&M grace. Liseberg's flat ride collection is also really solid, with the huge Intamin gyro swing Loki being possibly my favourite flat ride in the world. This is supported by a huge drop tower which gives spectacular views of Gothenburg before you plummet, and a screaming swing which swings out above Lisebergbanen's track. There's a recently added Zamperla nebulas which are always a ton of fun, along with a bunch of other amusement park staples. Younger guests are catered for in Rabbitland, a colourful area packed with child-friendly attractions, including the charming and very nicely themed dark ride Underland, which visitors of all ages can appreciate with its colourful aesthetic and quirky storytelling. The remainder of the ride lineup is made up of traditional favourites such as Rapids, a log flume, dodgems and a Ferris wheel. Liseberg has a really nice vibe to it too. The proud history of the park is on full display, particularly around the front section of the midway and along the escalators up to Helix. There is a cool little marina-like section which is a nice place to chill and grab a drink on the water, and you can mill around side streets, along the river and in public gardens. For a relatively compact park served by just one central midway, Liseberg do a fantastic job of making the space fun to explore and visually pleasing, and I found all ride staff and vendors to be friendly and helpful. My entrance ticket cost 495 krona, which is just shy of £40, with the park being open from 1 PM until 10 PM on the day I visited, which I think is a fair price for the quality of the park and the attractions on offer. Liseberg is one of my favourite parks to visit. I love these Nordic city parks, they bring such a cool vibe, especially in the evenings, and being located in such a lovely city never hurts. Speaking of Nordic city parks, Linnanmäki in Helsinki is another amusement park well worth your time, and you can check out my review of it by clicking the link on the screen. Thanks for watching, I've been Paul, and I'll catch you next time.